Today I'm gonna be rating fidget. So, and how much they cost and where I got them. So this is from Walmart. It costs $9. I really love it. I don't think it's a fidget, but I use it as a fidget, and it was actually $9. And I really recommend this. It's 5 out of 10 for sure. And then I'm gonna do this magic slide. It's from Walmart too. It's really good for anxiety and stuff like that. I rate this 8 out of 10 since it's really fun to play with. Really fun. I really recommend this. And it's $5. And this is humongous. It's long. And I'm gonna do these poppets. I got them from Amazon. They were $5 each. Really fun. I rate them a 10 out of 10 for sure. For sure. They're really fun to play with anytime. There's a loud side and a quiet side, which I love because they're so amazing. They fit anywhere. Lovely. And I'm gonna do these monkey noodles. This video is kind of fast because I don't want to run out of storage. So they're $5, I think, from Walmart, and they came in like a little bucket. 10 out of 10 for sure. They're really fun to sling, and you can actually, I love using it because I can hit my brother with it when he's annoying. And it's really stretchy and fun to play with. Really recommend this. $5, 10 out of 10. Now I got this color changing Neato. Love this. Love this. 10 out of 10. It was actually $3 from Walmart. That's cheap. And these are so cool. Color changing Neato. $3 from Walmart. Love them. I was actually gonna get more, but I decided to get one. So that's all I got for today's video. So if you want to see more videos, comment down below, and comment down below what subject or whatever you guys want me to post on this video, on this channel. So yeah, peace out, guys.